Listen, listen, listen. Do you understand English but can't speak fluently? Do you know words and do you know all the things, but when it comes to speaking, you forget what to say next? If this type of problems are going on with you, so don't worry, my friend, because today I have come with another technique for improving your English speaking. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. In today's video, I'll teach you something which is very important for you to apply that. And if once you'll start doing that, your English will be improved. And you'll think like this, yes, now I'm improving, now I'm just like speaking well. But before going to start that, listen, what is the name of that technique? Listen, my friend. You might be thinking like this, what I'm gonna speak today and what is this? Okay, so listen, without wasting our time, let's dive into our video. So the technique is this: jam technique. JAM. Yes, my friend, jam technique. You have to apply and you'll have to do practice with this technique, because it helps a lot for beginners, for everybody. I'm not talking about only beginners. Everybody can do this, and everybody can follow this habit, this technique, okay, for improving our English. So listen, what you need to do: jam means just a minute, bus एक minute. Okay, that's the meaning of this. Okay, so listen, what you need to do in this technique, let me tell you about this. What you guys listen, as you can see, it's getting too hot for me and it's becoming very difficult for me to make this video for you all, but still I'm making. Can you see my dedication for making this video for you all? I'm just kidding, my friend, just keep it aside and let's back in our topic. Okay, so what I was talking about, I was about to tell you about jam technique. In this technique, you just simply need to speak about any random topic for only 1 minute. Yes, my friend, you can choose any topic, whatever you want to speak about. You just only need to select any random topic and speak at least for 1 minute without stopping, without hesitating, without thinking too much what you are speaking about. And here, you have to remember this: you don't need perfect English. You don't need perfect English. If you'll do mistakes, that is absolutely okay. There is no any need to be worried about that. If you'll make mistakes, that is completely okay. If you'll hesitate, that is completely okay. And if you'll forget word, it is also completely okay. Are you getting my point? What I'm talking about? You just only need to speak continuously for 1 minute without stopping, without यार ये तो अक्सर आप मिस्टेक हो सकती है, ओके, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं सोचना है. इट कैन बी हैपन. ओके, सो मिस्टेक होगी, उसको इग्नोर मारना है. कंटिन्यूसली वी हैव टू speak at least 1 minute. I'm repeating again and again because of that. I just want you to make understand. I just want you to do that, and I want to make you all understand about that, what I'm talking about and what you exactly need to do. So listen, now I'm going to be practical about that, and I'll take any random topic, okay, and I'll speak for at least 1 minute. And for that, I don't have my cell phone. Because of that, now I'm going to bring that, okay, and after that I'll show timer and I'll speak continuously about that random topic. Okay, this time I don't have any timer. Okay, so I'm going that, and after that I'll bring, and after that I'll start speaking about any random topic. So wait, my friend, I'll be right back here. Okay, so guys, I'm back. Okay guys, so I'm back with my cell phone, and now I'm gonna set a timer for 1 minute, and after that I'll start speaking about any random topic. Okay, so here, now I'm gonna set a timer for that for at least 1 minute, and here it is. Let's start. Guys, today I'm gonna talk about my cell phone. this is my topic, and I will speak at least 1 minute on this topic about my cell phone, mobile. Okay, let's start. It is too handy for me. First of all, I can carry my cell phone anywhere, anytime. Okay, and I can put my cell phone in my pocket, in my bag, and anywhere. And one of the most important thing is that I can know each and everything what's going on in our village, in our city, in fact in our country and in this world. What is going on, I can know. And there is a lot of benefits of using cell phone. I can know, I can solve my questions, I can know about new things, I can learn new skills, I can do whatever. And one of the most important thing is that I can connect all over the world, and I can talk with any people who's living across the country, who's living any corner of this world. Okay, I can call. Oh, so here guys, as you can see, I've completed at least 1 minute while speaking on my cell phone, on mobile. Okay, so this is how you need to speak. Okay, are you getting my point? Just select a topic and just set a timer for 1 minute and start speaking randomly without stopping. And if you're doing mistakes, I think I did mistakes in my speech on that. Okay, so that's not a big thing. Okay, this is how you also need to do. Simply, that's not a big deal. If you are a beginner, then you just only need to do that. It is very helpful, my friend, just believe me. And this is what I did, because whatever I speak in this video, in my every videos, just listen, my friend, this is all about my experiences. I always try to speak about my all the things, like whatever I did for improving my own English, for improving my own fluency. Okay, and it will help you in a lot of sector. It means I'm talking about only English language. Okay, if you will start doing this, it will improve your fluency, it will build your confidence, and it will like maintain, and it will like, how can I say, it will improve your thinking capacity. You will start thinking directly in English language. Listen, and here I would like to share with you all, if you are like struggling a lot for speaking like fluently, there is the only one thing, there is the biggest reason behind that. You all speak and you all translate Hindi to English. Listen this, my friend, listen this, what I'm saying. I know very well you all are doing that mistakes. Whenever you are speaking, you all are translating from your native language to English, from Hindi to English. Because of that, like it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of like your like thinking, like the way you are thinking, and it takes. And because of that, you hesitate a lot. You fumble a lot. You take a lot of time for thinking, for speaking. That's the reason behind that. And this is what you all are doing. Because of that, it's like stopping yourself for speaking fluently. And just do this and it will improve all the things yours. Okay, and this is what you just only need to simply take your phone and select timer, start speaking about any random topic. That's it. And just do this because of me, and just after that you will see a huge difference in yourself. If you are a beginner, just try to do this at least 10 minutes. Try to speak about only 10 topics in a day. Okay, try to speak about 10 topics in a day. What I'm saying, this is not a 10. Okay, that's a 5. Okay, 5 and 5, 10 topic. Okay, you just need to cover 10 topic in a day. It will take hardly your 10 minutes. That's it. And what it will give you? It will give you fluency like me. It will give you confidence like me. You can become even better than me. You can speak better than me. I'm not saying you just need to become like me. No, my friend. I'm nothing in front of you all. If you'll do hard work, if you'll become dedicated for that, you can go ahead with me. That's not a big thing. Okay, just do this. Okay, guys, and this is what, and I think I've completed all the things, and this video is going to be lengthy, and I don't want to make like that. Okay, so I've completed all information, and now I hope you have got all the things what I say. You have got all the things. I think I did mistake there. Okay, so are you getting something, my friend? I'm just only speaking. I'm not even thinking about my mistakes. I'm not saying like this, I'm not making mistakes. I also make mistakes while speaking, but I don't care about my mistakes. I don't care, literally, my friend. I don't care about that, because I know very well that's the only one way I can improve. That's the only one way I can become fluent. That's the only one way I can become a different version of myself. This is what you all need to do. Don't think about your mistakes, my friend, because these habits are stopping yourself from becoming a fluent speaker. I never ever think about that. Like listen, I don't even try to think about my mistakes. And listen, my friend, how you all need to do that would be better for you if you select any topic, okay, a random topic. Just go in front of mirror and just set your timer for 1 minute and start speaking in front of mirror. That would be more effective for you if you'll do this. Okay, just without wasting our time, just try this from today and just start doing that. After watching this video, just go there. This is what you all need to do for becoming fluent. Just believe me, guys, just do this. I can't after applying this, listen, my friend, if you'll do that, and after, I definitely, you will say thanks to me, because that's very effective. You can become better, you can become fluent. This is what you all need to do. Okay, so oh my god, I'm sweat. It is too hot, my friend. Oh, and I can't speak more things in this video because now I have to go from this seat. Okay, so this is what. And guys, listen, if you have got something valuable, just do like and do subscribe. And what is this? Electricity has gone. Okay, so what I was talking, if you've got something valuable, just do like, subscribe and share with your friends. That's it. And we will meet in another video. Okay, so take care, guys. Bye bye.